Good day everyone, I am Rina B. Ruben and my topic it is all about a learning-oriented assessment of grammar and related approaches. So now we have here three related approaches. First, alternative assessment. Second, authentic assessment. And last is performance assessment. So alternative assessment moves away from time-selected response methods, uses meaningful, real-world tasks targeting highest level thinking and scored by human. So this approach rejects the one and done style of conventional testing where ang student is maka-answer sila og question quickly and makakuha sila og score without showing their deeper understanding. So instead of imong i-ask ang student to do something like mag-write sila og paragraph to have a conversation or to solve a problem that nag-require siya og using grammar correctly. So, kani nga task is nag-push siya sa student to think critically and i-apply nila kung unsa ilahang na-learn sa real-world scenarios. So, since the work is complex like writing or speaking, it can be scored by machine teacher or trained evaluator to review it or to judge understanding and skills. So next is authentic assessment. Mirrors real-life situation, emphasize complex production activities aligned with classroom goals, and it includes self-assessment as a key component. So authentic assessment is similar to alternative assessment. It puts extra focus on making tasks look at feel like what people do in everyday life. So for example, instead of filling in the blank with verb tenses, students might write an email to a friend or give a short presentation task where grammar matter for clear conversation. So it designed to match exactly what being taught in class, so what students practice and what they assessed on are the same. So self-assessment is key here. Students learn to check their own work and understand where they need to improve. So the last one is performance assessment. Evaluate skills like grammatically ability through complex tasks, uses rubrics for human scoring with clear criteria that enable self-evaluation and active learning. So this approach centers on evaluating what students can do with their grammar knowledge by watching them complete complex tasks. So to keep evaluation fair and clear, ang teacher is maghatag sila rubrics, a list of specific criteria that nag-describe siya what good, average, or needs improvement works looks like. So for instance, a rubric for a reading task is might nag-include siya og points for correct verb arrangement and proper sentence structure and clear organization. So as Bachman 2005 noted, so these assessments are more complex than traditional tests. Use real-world tasks and consider how each student's unique strength and needs interact with the task. So by sharing the rubric with students, they can assess their own performance and take charge for their learning. So traditional grammar tests often fail to measure real-world ability. So learning-oriented approaches have emerged. Alternative assessment moves beyond conventional formats to focus a higher level thinking and practical use. Authentic assessment align with classroom goals, uses real-life tasks. So, and encourage self-reflection. Performance assessment evaluate complex work with clear rubrics, empowering students to drive their own learning. Collectively, these methods turn assessment into a key part of teaching and learning, helping students to apply grammar confidently in daily life. Traditional grammar tests are limited because they don't measure how well people use grammar in real life. So new learning focused methods have been developed. First, again, alternative assessment goes beyond standard test format like multiple choice to emphasize critical thinking and using grammar practically. And second, authentic assessment ties in what taught in class uses tasks that mirror in real life scenarios, and it helps students to reflect on their own learning. And last is performance assessment. Uses clear guidelines like rubrics to evaluate more complex work, leading students take charge to their progress together. So these three approaches make assessment an active part of teaching and learning, helping students to use grammar confidently in every situation. All three approaches move away from just testing fact to measuring meaningful learning. They connect assessment to teaching and help students not only show what they know but also to understand how to improve, making assessment a part of learning process itself.